What is up and welcome back to another episode. So yeah, I'm in the car, I'm in Lucy The Mk1, and I guess this video is a bit different because now we're inside the car and yeah, seats are back. And yeah, so we had a bit of a rough September month, and I guess you guys saw that we didn't post as much as we would have liked to post, and then you will probably see in the next clip that the reason behind it and the sad story and why we haven't been online as much as we would have liked to be. So of course during this time we obviously put back the rear seat, as you guys can see. I'll show you a nice clip now. The front seats have been cleaned and we ended up putting them back as well, re-greasing the seat rails, and I guess the next step for us would be just giving the car another wash because it is raining at the moment, hence me being inside the car, and you guys can see at the back over there. Yeah, so I believe in the next video we're going to take out the carpet and dye it black because I do not like the stains that's on the car or on the carpet since we bought the car. And yeah, me and my lady, we spent some time, we agreed that we want to do so even the roof lining we're going to end up dyeing black, as well as these what's called sun visors. We're going to end up making them black. Door cards we are going to redo completely with complete custom door panels in the way we like it. So yeah, we also plan on eventually re-dyeing the seats, so using the same dye we're going to use for the carpet and end up dyeing the seats. So instead of the grey sides and the light grey centers, we're going to go black. So it's going to be black on the sides and then like a dark grey center all the way through. So for the rear seats, let me show you guys what they look like now, since they've been back in the car for about a month now. And then also the front seats has been in the car for about 2 weeks since we cleaned them. So yeah, let me show you guys what they look like. Let's go. yeah, as you guys saw, I mean, I believe the seats actually came out really flippin' nice, to be honest. Most of the marks that were disgusting, in my opinion, they look amazing, especially the driver's seat and the passenger seat that had real bad stains on the bottom part of it. They look absolutely phenomenal, honestly. So I'm extremely happy with the results, and I believe that as soon as we get the carpet dyed, possibly the center console as well, because it's grey at the moment, if we get that dyed black or sprayed black, the carpet's black, these rubber trims on the side here, get them black, I believe this car will already look 10 times better, if not 100 times better. So yeah, I believe our next video is definitely going to be the carpet. So I hope you guys enjoyed the sad update on Lucy the Mk1, and yeah, don't be mad at my girlfriend for bumping the car. Accidents do happen, and the issue has been resolved. So yeah, hence why we did what we did and just got temporary parts put on the car so it doesn't look like a complete piece of junk. But yeah, she still has a lot of work to do and a long way to go before being perfect again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe for the next update and see how we just join us while we improve the accident damage, repair the damages there, and make this car an absolute showstopper. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below. Whatever you think we need to do next, let's get it done. Obviously we have the bumper, the fender, and the grille, and the bodywork we need to do and sort out because of the accidents that you guys saw in the beginning of the video, as well as the carpet that is in our next video, as well as the center console that we want to dye black or spray black. But yeah, comment down below what you guys want to see and let's make it happen. So guys, subscribe, like, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.